Simply add them to each pot, and your geraniums will bloom wonderfully. They grow faster and immediately produce many new buds. The flowers are large and have a beautiful, vibrant color. For many people, walnut shells are worthless and often end up in the trash. This is a big mistake. I'll show you how to make a flower fertilizer from them. Take about 20 walnuts and remove the shells, as it's the shells we'll use for the mixture. They contain a wealth of nutrients, including potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium, as well as fiber, amino acids, proteins, and tannins. Place the shells in a pot and cover them with a liter of water. Then, simmer them on low heat with the lid on for 20 minutes. After this time, turn off the heat and let the mixture cool. Once cooled, strain the mixture. Finally, dilute the solution in a 1:2 ratio with water. You can confidently water your flowers with this mixture. You'll notice the difference almost immediately. The color will be more vibrant, and most importantly, the number of flowers will significantly increase. Throw it into your geraniums. Just 1 teaspoon will make them regain their color. It's a surprising but very effective method for fertilizing geraniums. Let me show you how to prepare this fertilizer. The most important thing is to save the potato peels when you're peeling potatoes for dinner. Don't throw them away, as they contain essential elements like potassium and magnesium, which are crucial for plant health. These nutrients help stimulate blooming in geraniums. Spread the peels out on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. It's best to leave the sheet in the sun for about an hour to let the peels dry completely. After that, prepare a grinder for milling. Put the peels into the grinder and grind them. If you have a lot of peels, you may need to repeat this process. The result is a perfect powder made from the peels. That's why it's important to make sure the peels are thoroughly dried. Add this powder to your geraniums every 2 weeks. Just sprinkle it over the plants before watering. You'll be amazed by the results. Dissolve in water and water your geraniums. They'll be covered in flowers like never before. Since I started using this fertilizer, my geraniums have been producing countless new buds and growing beautifully. Take some dry yeast from your kitchen cupboard. Put a teaspoon of yeast into a small bowl, then add a teaspoon of sugar. Pour in a little water and mix everything until the yeast dissolves. Yeast contains B vitamins, organic iron, amino acids, and trace elements, making it an excellent fertilizer for potted plants. Once the yeast is dissolved, pour the mixture into a bottle of water. Shake well to combine everything. Now, water your flowers with this mixture. You'll see how much they grow after using this fertilizer. Yeast works as a gentle organic fertilizer. It provides amino acids, proteins, and enzymes that support plant growth and health. Water your geraniums with this yeast solution every 2 to 3 weeks. Make sure to pour it around the base of the plants, avoiding the leaves, and enjoy beautiful flowers all summer long. I'll share the secret of an eco-friendly fertilizer that will make your geraniums bend under the weight of their blooms. Geraniums need the right fertilizer to grow healthy and flower beautifully, so make it now. Take 1 banana, peel it, cut it into smaller pieces, and place it in a jar. Banana peel is rich in potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which support plant growth. Add about 0.35 ounces of fresh yeast to a bowl. Yeast is an excellent source of minerals and enzymes, helps speed up plant growth, and improve soil structure. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar to activate the yeast, then pour in about 3 fluid ounces of warm water and mix until the yeast dissolves. Pour the mixture into the jar with the banana and add about 1 quart of water so the ingredients combine. Leave the solution for a few days so the ingredients can blend well and ferment. Take a watering can, pour in some of the solution, add about 1 quart of water to dilute it, and water your geraniums with this fertilizer once a week. You will notice how quickly they grow, become stronger, and start blooming beautifully. Regular use of this natural fertilizer will help your plants thrive in a healthy and balanced environment. 1 tablespoon of this powder can save plants that are sick and tired from the heat. Turmeric is known for its strong antifungal and antibacterial properties. To prepare this plant-saving mixture, take turmeric and add 1 teaspoon to a liter of warm water, then stir. If you've recently transplanted your plant and it needs extra nutrients, add 1 more ingredient. Prepare 100 milliliters of milk and mix it into the water with turmeric, stirring well. Before using this mixture, strain it through cheesecloth to remove any solids. Pour the strained mixture into a spray bottle and apply it to your plants. Avoid spraying directly on the leaves, as this may cause them to dry out. Instead, apply the mixture to the soil or the plant stems regularly every few weeks. Your plants will revive and flourish. Water your geraniums with this, and even wilted flowers will quickly regain their color and start blooming beautifully again. All you need is 1 simple ingredient that you already have in your kitchen. With it, your geraniums will regain their vibrant appearance, become fuller, intensely green, and covered in colorful flowers. Take an onion, which is rich in natural nutrients that support plant growth. Peel it carefully, but don't throw away the skins, as they contain many valuable minerals that help strengthen leaves and improve flower health. Now take a larger jar, place all the onion skins in it, and cover them with water. Close the jar, cover it with a cloth, and leave it for about 2 days. During this time, all the beneficial components from the onion will infuse into the water, creating a natural homemade fertilizer. After 2 days, strain the mixture through a sieve. Now, prepare a spray bottle. Pour the ready solution into it, and close the bottle tightly. Spray the leaves and flowers thoroughly to refresh them and aid their recovery. Take a watering can, pour about 3.4 fluid ounces of the prepared solution, then add about 17 fluid ounces of water, and mix well. Use this mixture to water the soil around the geraniums, to strengthen the roots and encourage growth. After just a few days, your geraniums will look healthier, and their leaves and flowers will regain their beautiful appearance. Use this natural fertilizer regularly once a week, and your geraniums will bloom even more abundantly. This will keep your plants healthy and beautiful throughout the entire summer season. Just a handful is enough, and your geraniums will bloom like crazy. They'll be covered in flowers and fill your entire balcony. Here's how to make a homemade fertilizer that works wonders. Put a tablespoon of rice into a coffee grinder or blender and grind it into rice flour. Add 1 tablespoon of rice flour to a jar. Then, add a tablespoon of sugar. Pour half a liter of hot water over everything. Close the jar tightly and set it in a warm place for 3 days. After this time, strain the mixture through a sieve or gauze to remove the rice remnants. Now, dilute the fertilizer with water in a 1:5 ratio. 1 part fertilizer to 5 parts water. Pour the prepared liquid evenly into the geranium pots. Water with this solution once every 2 weeks. Rice is rich in silicon, iron, and phosphorus, which are essential for plants to bloom. Use this natural fertilizer regularly, and you'll see your plants grow and bloom. Your geraniums will be healthy, lush, and full of colorful flowers. Try it yourself and enjoy the beauty of your plants all season long.